Made a silly little mini cannon. I was working off the barrel design for the slingshot that I just recently made and decided to turn it into a cannon. I already had the projectile printed out for the slingshot, so I'll just reuse it. This part is not 100% infill, so it's not as heavy as it probably, is. It's not really that heavy. This is 100% infill, and it's threaded in the back there. You can see the rifling through it. And the idea being, I could just take the contents of a firecracker and put it into this little pocket down there. And there's a little hole that goes through to the other side, which I'll feed the wick in. And then I'll just screw it on like that. That way, if I charge it and it doesn't go off, I can have the option of popping it off and reloading it instead of having the projectile stuck down in there. And it is such a goofy little cannon. I mean, look how big the bullet is. There, that's all the way to the back where it'll sit. You can see the tip of it. So I'll probably put one firecracker worth of charge into this cap, or maybe two. I don't know. I'll tell you when I'm about to fire it off how many I put in there. And I banged it up quite a bit because well, when I printed this, I had to print supports on the inside. I didn't think it out real well, so the supports got in the way, and they were incredibly hard to clean up there towards the end. So I will not be able to screw this all the way on. I can get it probably within 3/8 of an inch from the back of that, but that still gives me plenty of thread. No, what are they called? Threads. Yeah, plenty of threads screwed in. They're pretty thick threads, but who knows? I mean, it is plastic after all, and it might blow up. I've already had it happen once, so anyways, I'll see you on the outside. It is crazy windy out here, so here's the setup. Aim pretty low on that orange. Like I told you, I wasn't going to be able to screw the cap on all the way. Hoping a tree doesn't fall on me. Yeah, it is crazy windy out here. Wish me luck lighting that fuse. And if this thing blows up, well, I don't have a tree to hide behind. I didn't want to do this directly underneath the trees just in case a big limb came falling down. So hopefully I can get a good slow-mo for you. And hope it doesn't blow up in my face. Yeah, I could definitely tell that light power, but did get the tip of my projectile wet. Smells like orange and gunpowder. And here's the hole it left on the orange. Oh, man, I wish I had the other cannon charged up and I could just demolish the rest of this. Oh well, that's enough fun for today. Oh, something will eat that. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day, YouTube.